Check the tolerance on this edge near the leading spar.
Scanning now, looks good. The measurement is within specification.
Excellent. We are clear for the next sample. Status check on Longbow 1.
All parameters nominal, trajectory stable. Hold it, drop the load, clear the bay. Roger, moving out. Cross-reference the serial numbers on the manifest.
Already done. Everything checks out for the flight control systems.
We have stabilization at 0.002. Yep.
Market complete.
Laser alignment is locked.
Confirmed and logged. Bring it down 20 millimeters. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. All right, bring her down 50 centimeters. Steady now. Copy that. Coming down slow. Final torque applied.
Measurements confirmed. It's perfect.
The schematic shows the wiring harness next.
Okay, let's prep the KL45-F25 connector.
Frame is secure. Run the diagnostic.
Reading green across the board. Good work.
Bring her down slowly. Watch the starboard side.
Copy. Descending slowly.
Perfect alignment.
All right, slowly lower it another 2 centimeters. Holding steady on the port side. Alignment is green.
Check the gap right there.
Confirmed, we are within tolerance. Stand by for lock.
Data stream is showing perfect alignment.
Excellent. Confirmed on the console.
The fuselage fabrication phase is now complete. We met all quality metrics ahead of schedule.
Applying torque to 45 foot-pounds.
Reading confirmed. Alignment is secure.
Approaching hardpoints.
Copy. Hold steady for alignment.
Alignment looks good on the starboard side.
Confirmed. Clear to proceed for final seating.
Torque on harness 4 is complete. Check the bleed air coupling.
Reading nominal. Interface shows green across the board. Good to proceed.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch your clearance on the starboard side.
Steady, steady. A little to the left.
Looks good from here. Secure the locks.
Bring it down 20 millimeters. Watching the laser. Clear on this side. Looks good. Keep coming down.
Keep it slow and steady on the approach. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Confirmed. Clearance holding at 5 meters.
Easy now, hold it steady, aft slightly.
Reading green on all points, coming down slow.
This peak right here exceeds the threshold.
Is that correlating with the RPM increase we saw earlier?
Verification on the power bus.
Stand by, running diagnostics now. Looks stable at 28 volts.
We're clear to route this bundle past the bulkhead.
Confirmed. The guides are aligned.
The horizontal alignment is off by 2 millimeters.
Adjusting the jig now, check the laser projection.
Looks stable, we have confirmation.
Power cycling unit 4.
Diagnostics are nominal. We are good to proceed.
Clamps are secured, ready for the activation sequence.
Okay, initiating boot sequence now. Looks good.
Okay, bring it down 5 more centimeters.
Clear on this side, laser alignment holding steady.
Secure the starboard clamps.
We need to adjust the azimuth by 3 clicks.
Okay, adjusting now.
That's within tolerance.
Lock it down.
Make sure that connector seats properly before I tighten this final bolt.
It's aligned. The diagram confirms the pin layout.
There's the alignment. See the phase lock right there? Yes, reading confirmed on the diagnostic tablet. Looks good.
Avionics readiness checklist. Weapons integration, confirmed. Flight control systems, confirmed. Readiness status, green.
Easy now, watch the clearance. All right, turning the lock.
Seated. Green on the panel.
Harness secure and seated.
Torque check.
3 clicks. Confirmed.
Alignment is good on the starboard fin.
Copy that. Ready for torque check?
Applying final torque now.
Reading confirmed. Move to station 5.
Clear to lift. Steady now.
Check alignment on station 2.
Looking good. Secure the forward latch.
Easy, bring it up just a hair.
Got it. It's seated. Latch secure. Applying torque.
We have the range. Locking the solution.
System checks are green. Ready to fire.
Master arm engaged. Dry fire confirmed.
Alignment looks correct at 45 degrees. Confirmed. Applying heat seal now.
Keep it coming slow. Watch your wingtip clearance on the right side.
Copy that, right side clear.
Panel alignment is within tolerance here. Check the primary weapons mount coupling again.
Verifying torque now.